Hello, Rise students! This is a quick demonstration to show you how to hyperlink your work journal, your build.org work journal, into your personalized learning plan. So the first step is to open up your personalized learning plan. As I have here, you can access that in your Google Drive. If you need help with that, please let one of your teachers know. So you can either scroll down until you get to projects or assignments, or you can go back up and use this table of contents here. And if you click on the projects and assignments link, it'll take you straight there. So you should see an interdisciplinary lab section. And so you'll see here we have build.org work journal. So in order to hyperlink, you're going to go ahead and click that link that you are given in your build lab. The link will have you make a copy of the Build Rise Student Design book. So when you are given that link, you will make a copy. And this is going to create a copy of the design book in your Google Drive. So first thing is to go up here and click this really long title, and you're going to highlight all of this, copy of, please make a copy, and you're going to write your name so that you have your copy, and you will also delete this master copy because now this is your own copy. So you're going to have all of that, and then you're going to go here to this share button. So you're going to see this share button here, and right now it says private. So you're going to click on that share button. You're going to change link to Da Vinci Schools, and you're going to copy link. So now your link is copied. Then you're going to go back to your personalized learning plan, and you're going to highlight this build.org work journal. So you're going to go ahead and highlight it. And then you're going to go to your toolbar. So right here on your toolbar where you have you can change all the fonts, you're going to see this little symbol. That's the insert link symbol. So you could either go there. When you're over here highlighted, you could also right click when you have it highlighted, and you can click link here also. So there's two ways to get to it. And then it's going to give you a space to insert your link. So you're going to right click and paste, or you can press Control V. You're going to press apply. And now you should see that it's underlined in blue. So if you click on this, you will now have access to getting to your Rise Student Design book. All right, students, have fun building.